Hi guys! Bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting quick tour dito sa Zian Resort and Hotel dito sa Antipolo. Since nandito naman na ako, sayang naman kung hindi ko ma-share sa inyo dahil maganda itong resort. Ito yung mga rates and amenities na meron sila. Nasa description yung link ng FB page for more details and queries. May store din sa loob ng resort na mabibilhan nyo ng mga kailangan para sa pagbigo or pag-swimming tulad ng salbabida at may mga foods and liquors din. Meron silang 3 swimming pool. Ito yung pinakamalaki, 6 feet yung pinakamalalim. Marami din silang mga cottages katulad nito at meron din silang rooms. Meron din sila ditong event venue guys para sa mga may birthday, wedding at kung ano-ano pang selebrasyon. Hindi ko na napakita sa inyo dahil occupied, pero kapag gusto ninyong makita pa yung mga ibang mga rooms na meron sila, pwede nyong i-visit sa kanilang FB page. Ito yung cottage namin guys, and then sa baba merong CR, pang babae tsaka pang lalaki. Malawak din yung kanilang grilling and washing station. That's it muna guys, biglang umulan kaya bumalik na muna ako sa cottage namin. As the world gathers speed, slow living is making a comeback. Slow living is a movement where people decide to live a more balanced, meaningful life through slowing things down and appreciating both the world around them and what they have. Let me share with you some guide to slow living. How to simplify your life and find joy in every moment. One of the steps towards slow living is simplifying your surroundings. Sort through your belongings and decide what to keep, donate, or throw away. The goal is to create a space that feels calm and organized. Next, organize regularly. I know life is busy enough and we are talking here about slowing down, but daily tidying up really helps. Daily chores like putting clothes back on hangers and taying the dishwasher really make a difference, and your future self will thank you for folding one load of laundry today instead of having a pile from the whole week. Prioritize quality over quantity. Buy less, choose better. When making purchases, choose high-quality items. This goes for clothing, household goods, and even food. Choose timeless classic styles and durable materials that will stand the test of time and won't go out of fashion. Embrace mindfulness, mindful eating. Eating mindfully is good for your digestion and makes meals more enjoyable.
Kasi masyado na kami natin. Pero kasi sabihin ng first, hindi pa second siya. Before kasi, hindi ka na fall, hindi ka na in love dun sa babae. Hindi. Ang importante na magkaroon ka ng girlfriend. Bakit? Ano yung madang sa barkaros? Yan yung tinatawag din siya. Di ba? So bakit pa kailangan patulad ka pa? Hindi.
Enjoy the process of preparing food for yourself and your loved ones and appreciate the flavors of fresh, homemade dishes. Before eating, take a moment to express gratitude for the food on your plate. This simple practice can deepen your appreciation for each meal. Next, physical self-care. Take care of your body through regular exercise, balanced eating, and plenty of rest. Hi guys! Nandito ako ngayon sa Gamo Dental Clinic para magpalinis ng ngipin. Next, connect with nature. My absolute favorite self-care way is connecting with nature. Nature has a calming effect on our body and mind and will help you feel more grounded and present. Try adding a walk in nature into your daily routine. Even a short walk in a park will have a positive impact on your mood and well-being. We can live a simple life by embracing a slower mindset. Slow living restructures our schedules so we can spend more time on meaningful activities. This is a reminder to slow down, engage in the present, and most importantly, breathe.